Hey, what's up? Welcome. It's me, your boy. Welcome to Math Monday. Actually very glad that I managed to pull off two of these in 2 weeks in a row. Yay for me. I'm actually doing this. I've been taking a lot of breaks off of Math Monday because I've been doing lots of other things. But today we are finally going to take a step that I've been meaning to take for quite some time, and that is from third grade to fourth grade, which is kind of a big jump and kind of not a big jump depending on how closely you've been following along to this point. But first, we need to finish up the third grade curriculum. We are very close. We did the course challenge last time. We have done every single unit in third grade. However, there were a couple of places where I did not 100% the unit test, and as such, did not 100% a particular unit. So what we're going to do right now is jump into third grade. As you can see, we are currently at 99%, so we're almost there. We're going to finish this out really quick, and then we'll go ahead and talk about what the expectations will be for fourth grade, and we'll move forward from there. So for now, we will start. Let's see. These are all good. Time is missing a couple of mastery points. So we're going to go all the way down to the unit test, and we will take that again. Now, I'm not going to be doing a ton of explanations on these. I will be speaking like my thoughts as I have them. But this is me finishing a promise, not necessarily here to just to educate. So Zayed builds a model airplane in 24 minutes. Finishes it at 11:31. 31 minus 24 is 7, right? Yeah. Hi, Kistrel. Hi, Silver Key. I'm glad you're both here. I believe that is A. Oh. There we go. I will go ahead and disconnect my speakers so that I can only hear through my headphones. Rohit reads for 32 minutes. He finishes at 12:55 p.m. 55 minutes minus 32 minutes is 23 minutes. So we're looking at 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. The answer is A. Look at the time on the following clocks. So it looks like it's 4:31, and now it's 5:04, 5:03. So let's see. It took 29 minutes to get to the 12 o'clock position. That makes this 34. 35, 36, 37 minutes have passed. Yes, I'm going to double check that. 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 37 minutes. Working with clocks, surprisingly difficult, even for those of us who grew up with them. Where is 409 graphed? Well, that looks like A to me. Ronnie finishes her painting at 4:17 p.m. She painted for 42 minutes. Now, we have to kind of break this up, right? So 42 minus the 17 minutes is, let's see, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25 minutes. So at 4 o'clock, we need to back up another 25 minutes, which brings us to 3:35, which is B. It is currently 3:14 on this clock, so another 38 minutes. Let's see, 3:14 plus 38 minutes. 14 plus 8 is 22, plus 30 is 52. So I believe it will show 3:52 p.m., which is B. No, yes. 3:52 because the hour hand is close to the 4. Yeah, nice. A scuba diver started her dive at 2:42 and ended at 3:17. Now, the way I do these, and I'll go ahead and actually write it down. I go up to the hour and then whatever else, right? It takes 18 minutes to get up to 3 o'clock from 2:42. 60 minus 42 is 18, and then it'll take another 17 minutes to get to 3:17 p.m. That's 35 minutes total. I hope that makes sense. I'm not sure I did a great job of explaining that when I did that. I did just say 35, right? 30 minutes would bring it to 12, and then another 5 would be 17, yes. 750 looks like A to me. Yeah, C is 650. And then finally, starting and finishing playing soccer, how long did he play? So this looks like it's 32. And again, I just like going 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And then there's 2 on this side, so that's 37. And there's 38, 39. I see 40 minutes total. Oh man, what did I do? I'm gonna have to take this again now. Annoying, this thing happens. 35. I went the wrong way somewhere. Again, these things happen. We're doing it again. That looks like 7:30, 1, 2, 3. Let's see here. We've got 12:04. And then we've got 12:56. So that looks like 52 minutes to me. But I'm going to be really careful here. So 1, 2, 3, that is 4. That is 55, 56. 56 minus 4 is 52 minutes. Start at 8 a.m., finish at 11 a.m. That is 3 hours. Let's see, 15, 5, 10. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. I see 24 minutes here. 442 is going to be obviously 2 ticks past 440, so that's C. Here we have 1045 and 1132. So it takes 45 minutes to get to 1130. 46, 47, 47 minutes have passed. So let's see. 32 minutes doing his homework. He finishes it at 4:18 p.m. 4:18, let's see. So take away the 18. Let's see, 32 minus 18 is 14. And then another 14 back from 4 o'clock would be 3:46. 3:47? I think I may have done the math wrong, but I think this is correct. But let's find out. 30 minutes would be there. 31, 32, no, A is not right. Okay. Let's try this again. So I take away the 18 minutes. That gets me to 4 o'clock. I think I was right, that's 14 minutes. So yeah, I think I was right. It's 3:46 is when it's supposed to happen, right? So why am I seeing 3:42? Am I still wrong? Yeah. Okay, I was right, B. That's 32, not 42. Like I said, very easy to get mixed up with a clock. So I was right, it is 3:46, it's just that B is the correct answer. And this is why you double check your answers, friends. Okay, Mohammed speaks on the phone for 15 minutes. He ends his phone call at 9:20. 20 minus 15, this is an easy one. That is 9:05 when it started, which is B. And then finally, 55 minutes later. Fun fact about 55 minutes later, it's the same thing as 5 minutes earlier, just add an hour, right? So here I am at, let's see, 21, 2, 3. I can go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that looks like I'm at 18 minutes. So it should be 8:18, which is A. And that finally is that unit test done. And that gets us to 100% mastered on the time unit. All right, we are almost there, my friends. We are backing out into 3rd grade. The only thing we have left is this addition, subtraction, and estimation unit test. And this is a tough one because there are a lot of problems, which means there's a lot of places I can mess up. So I am going to double and triple check every one of these answers to try to get to 100% in one go, if possible. Let's do this. Let's see. I need a 0 in the ones digit, an 8 in the tens digit, and I need 300 to be the nearest 100 when rounding. So that would be 280, right? Would round up to 300. Okay. Not taking any chances on this nonsense. 993 minus 428. Now, again, I grew up with the sort of old school way of looking at subtraction, and that is totally fine still. So 13 minus 8 is 5. I got 565 for my answer. 993 minus 428, 565, yes. Nice. 2 down, 13 more to go. Estimate 580 and 100 is about 680. 675 is about right. 361 plus 544. So I start at 361 and I add 500 to get to 861. Then I add 40 to get to 901, and then I add 4 to get to 905. B is the correct answer. The table shows how many times each child hopped in a relay. How many times did Brady and Jenny hop in all? Looks like I see 73 and 92, which is 165 hops all together. Which expression could be used to find the value of 406 plus 558? So you could take the 400 and the 500 and the 50 and the 6 and the 8 and break it apart that way. Drag the point to 945. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway between 940 and 950. Rounded to the nearest 10, it actually rounds up to 950. Select 2 strategies we could use to add 146 and 451. Now, 150 plus 455 doesn't work because that is adding to both of them, leading to a higher total. A is wrong, therefore B and C must be right. I could take 3 away from 33 and give it to 45, making it 48 plus 30. And remember, this is from a bit ago, but the reason behind this is it makes the mental math a lot easier when it's done this way. So we could, instead of doing 410 minus 302, we could go 408 minus 300. Right? I have to lower them both. And the answer either way is going to be 8. That's how I could just check to make sure I'm right here, is by doing the subtraction. 410 minus 302 is 8. Is 108, I mean to say. And then 408 minus 300 is also 108. We are solving. It looks like we're starting at 766, and we are subtracting 595. Let's see. 968 minus 76. Let's see. No, 16 minus 7 is 9. I don't know why I said 8 for a second there. I got 892 plus 76. Yeah, that makes sense to me. 892. Almost there. 705 plus 158 is 863. About 900 minus about 50 is about 850. Last one, we could do 192 minus 158. Let's see. We could do 192 minus 100 minus 52 minus 6. That would be correct. We could do 192 minus 162, 61, 60, 59, 58, and then add 4. That would be correct. I have no idea what A is on about. And that is that unit test. And that gets us to 100% mastery in all of 3rd grade. Thunderous applause. Thank you, me. Well done. Excellent. Okay, now, finally, it's time for us to move on. I'm going back to the face part. So that was 3rd grade. And 3rd grade, I don't know if you noticed, but it was a lot more. There was a lot more to it. And that's going to kind of set the pace for 4th and 5th grade. Because 4th grade has about the same number of skill points overall to earn in Khan Academy as 3rd grade did. And 5th grade, again, has about the same amount again. But we've learned basically all of the ideas that we're going to be using up until about algebra. 4th grade is not going to be a whole lot about learning really new ideas. It is going to be, again, about refining the ideas that we've got. And that's going to be the sort of big idea there.